Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to make iPhone never turn off automatically. So basically, if you are using the older version of iPhone, you want to go ahead to your main settings and you're gonna go ahead to the general and you're gonna find it right here, a section called auto lock, and you're gonna be able to see a 30-second. You're gonna be able to go there and just change the amount of seconds that you want to set in order to leave your phone or let your phone die or turn off automatically, right? But if you are using like me, the new generation of iPhone, just go ahead to the main settings, scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna see right here, you're gonna see the display and brightness. Just go ahead and scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna see right here auto lock, and you're gonna see I already set it on 30-second. So basically, if you want to never turn off your phone, just go ahead and hit never, and then basically that's it. But I want to bring to your attention that it might consume your battery along the ride, so you need to set it on a time, maybe not 30-second, maybe 3 minutes, maybe 2 minutes if you wanted to, but I don't recommend you to set it for never. Otherwise it will consume your battery and your battery will die easily. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and never turn off the notification bell. Yeah.